You say she rides a bike in all weathers.
In all weathers, that's right.
And wears a hat.
Yes, she wears a hat.
Which you state she knitted herself.
I believe so.
She grows tomato plants in...
Margarine tubs.
margarine tubs.
Yes. Or yogurt.
Yogurt pots. I see. Now why do you suppose she does that?
What? Grow tomato plants?
Yes.
For fates.
For what?
Fates! She sells them at fates.
Of course she does. And I suppose she takes them to these fates on her bike.
Yes, she does.
In all weathers.
Yes, she does.
In a cardboard box.
Yes, she does.
Now why do you suppose she does that? Why do you suppose she takes these tomato plants in yogurt pots? Why do you suppose she takes them on her bike in a cardboard box to fates in all weathers? You state, quote, as a child, she often shared a bed with 2 or 3 of her younger siblings, unquote. Do you abide by that statement?
Yes.
Why?
Because she did.
Because she did.
Because she did, yes. Because they were poor, because they had nothing.
Different world, eh? If you could just sign here.
What?
Yeah. If you could just sign here to say you have read the statement and consider it accurate. Well, don't you consider it accurate?
If I could have a pen. Is that all?
For the time being. Thank you. Thank you very much.
The camera loves you. It isn't just acting, it's far more exacting than acting. Loves you. It isn't just acting, it's far more exacting than acting. The camera loves you. It isn't just acting, it's far more exacting than acting. The camera loves you. The camera loves you. It isn't just acting, it's far more exacting than acting.